interesting Earth facts that will leave you amazed. We all enjoy a good sci-fi or intergalactic superhero epic that transport us to distant planets and galaxies. But the truth is that there is a lot of amazing stuff happening right here on Earth. In this video, we will explore some awesome facts about the Earth that will amaze you for sure. Number 7. The driest place on Earth. Ironically, the world's driest place, the Atacama Desert in northern Chile, is located next to the world's largest body of water, the Pacific Ocean. In Arica, Chile, the average annual rainfall is only 0.8 millimeters. It is believed that no rain fell in Atacama's Calama City for 400 years until a sudden storm hit in 1972. Unlike most deserts, the Atacama is relatively cold, and its most arid areas, cyanobacteria, green photosynthetic microorganisms that live in rocks or under stones, do not even exist. NASA's astrobiologists traveled to the Atacama Desert in search of microorganisms that can survive in such harsh conditions, hoping to learn more about how life might exist on other planets. Number 6. Earth's gravity isn't uniform. The gravitational field of Earth would be the same everywhere if it were a perfect sphere. In reality, the planet's surface is bumpy, and water flow, ice drift, and the movement of the tectonic plates beneath Earth's crust all alter gravity's pull. These variations are referred to as gravity anomalies. A mountain range such as the Himalayas causes a positive gravity anomaly, which means that gravity is stronger there than it would be on a featureless, perfectly smooth planet. Negative gravity anomalies are caused by the presence of ocean trenches or dips in the land caused by glaciers millennia ago. Number 5. In the past, sea levels were very different. The most recent ice advance on Earth began approximately 70,000 years ago, ended 11,500 years ago, and reached its greatest extent 18,000 years ago. During this time, glaciers and ice sheets carved out the basin of the Great Lakes and blocked rivers, diverting the Mississippi and other rivers in the United States. Because so much water was trapped as ice, sea levels dropped by up to 120 meters, exposing parts of the ocean floor. In the past, the Earth's sea level was up to 70 meters higher. The sea was actually 5 to 7 meters higher than it is today during the last interglacial period. Number 4. Our sun has a voracious appetite. All stars, including our sun, age and die. As the sun's hydrogen supply runs out, it will collapse under gravity, eventually ballooning into a red giant 100 times larger and 2,000 times more luminous, vaporizing Earth in the process. But don't be concerned, it won't happen for another 5 billion years. One option is to leave the planet before this occurs, but this would necessitate previously unimagined technology as well as a habitable destination. Another possibility is that a passing star will disrupt Earth's orbit and push it away from the sun over the next billion years. According to scientists, the chances of this happening are 1 in 100,000, which is better than winning the lottery. Unfortunately, without the sun, our descendants would most likely perish from the cold. Number 3. Life below the seafloor. At depths of up to 2.5 kilometers below the seafloor, the sediments underlying Earth's oceans are home to approximately a billion microorganisms. The majority of this deep subseafloor biosphere grows at an extremely slow rate in comparison to life on the surface. Scientists are discovering new microbial life sources deeper and deeper beneath the seafloor than ever before. In March, a team of scientists announced that they had discovered traces of bacteria in rocks 400 feet below the seafloor, the deepest ever discovered. Number 2. The moon is not Earth's only companion. 2 other bodies orbiting close to Earth are sometimes referred to as moons, though they are not strictly deserving of the title. 3753 Crania, discovered in 1986, is an asteroid that orbits the Sun. Crania appears to be following our planet because it takes the same amount of time to orbit the Sun as Earth. When viewed from Earth, its orbit appears to be bean-shaped. Asteroids 2002 AA29 orbits the Sun once a year, following a more unusual horseshoe-shaped path that brings it within 95 years of Earth. Scientists have proposed collecting samples from AA29 and returning them to Earth due to its close proximity. Number 1. The calm before the storm. It's not just a myth. The calm before the storm does exist under the right conditions. As a storm draws warm, moist air from the surrounding atmosphere, it creates a low-pressure area. Air is carried up into the storm cloud by powerful draughts, and some of it is forced upwards. These updrafts remove hot air and push it out over the sides of the highest storm clouds, which can reach heights of 16 kilometers. As the air descends, it becomes warmer and drier, becoming more stable. It blankets the area below and stabilizes the air, causing people in that area to notice a calm before the storm. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. Subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you with another interesting video.